Hi, Sharon. How are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. I'm here in Texas. Like I told Corey, I shot you guys this video. It's giving you 3 tips and tricks to increase or and to improve and increase your online presence. So, without further ado, I want to jump right into this and respect your time. Number one, I want to talk about content. Obviously, I've got your website pulled up here, so we'll take a look at that here in a sec. Number two, I want to talk about citations, and number three, we'll talk about backlinks. So, number one, content. Obviously, I have your website pulled up. Really nice website, by the way. I love the colors. It's very engaging. Love the images that you guys have. The rule of thumb with Google is that you want to have at least a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason being for that is that's what Google uses their robots as they're continuously scrolling sites. They're looking for the type of websites and companies that are giving their customers, who of course are the people that are searching on their platform, that are giving their customers good information and a lot of it, right? So that's kind of where that bare minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage comes in. Just scrolling through your web page, like I said, a lot of good stuff on here. And you're right near that 1,500, a little less than 1,500 words. So you're not far. You've got a lot of great things going for you on this website. So, I think that with some minor changes, you'd see some huge results. So that's content. Number two, I want to talk about citations. Okay, so when we talk about Google search, we talk about buyer intent keywords, right? And all I mean by buyer intent, and Corey told me you were the marketing manager. You know what I'm talking about here. But Plumber, Denton, Texas, right? If somebody types in Plumber, Denton, Texas, like I have here, they either live in and around Denton and they're looking for a plumber, and they probably need you pretty fast, right? So they're doing their research, and they're, first and foremost, they're going to see these ads. Ads are fine. We do a lot of successful Google ad campaigns, but what we really focus on are the organic results for our clients, and that's something that they're not having to pay for every click, and that they're just going to be front and center for the long haul. And so, the first local businesses that folks are going to see is in this Google map pack here. Now, with you guys being located in Denton and you guys having the type of footprint that you do in Denton, you should definitely be in this map pack. And so that's why I want to talk about citations. So obviously all a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed on the web, right? And so what we do is we're able to go in and, I have software where I can go in and look at these competitors here, Knee Deep Plumbing, Advanced Plumbing Services, and Stratomatter, and take a look at what citations they're signed up for. Okay, and then so we make sure what we do is we make sure that you have those same citations. So we want to match the competition. And then what we do is we double down and we make sure we get as many more citations as possible to beat out this competition. And in turn, we get our clients ranked in this top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Again, a huge amount of business because these are the first organic local businesses that folks are seeing when they type Plumber, Denton, Texas. Okay, so that's citations and how we use that. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Again, probably not a foreign term to you, but using this Google search, right, Plumber, Denton, Texas, the next thing folks are going to do are going to inherently look for local businesses that are on the first page of Google. So when we scroll past this Google Map Pack, we're going to look for this first local business. It's Dad and Sons Plumbing is showing up number 1 on this Google search for Plumber, Denton, Texas, right? So I'll come back to that and show you that in a minute. But what I want to do first is show you, this is a software that I use. I pay $400 to $500 a month for it. It's called Ahrefs. But what I'm able to do is punch in any website and really take a deeper look at it. What's working, what's not, what's good, what's bad, right? And so when we look at this, you guys have some strong numbers here. You have 698 backlinks. Of course, all a backlink is your URL that's linking from other websites across the World Wide Web. So that's what this number is. You have 59 referring domains, which means your URL, forcehomeservices.com, is linked on 59 different websites, and it's giving power. It's linking back to your website. So again, when the Google bots are scrolling this, they're seeing, okay, this is great. This company is, has the authority. There are other websites that are recommending or have them listed on their website. And so it's giving those keywords power. Currently, you're ranking for 326 organic keywords. Okay, so what I wanted to do is just take a look at the competition and show you what I mean by the type of business that they're getting by ranking so high for so many of these buyer intent keywords. So when I type in dadandsonsplumbing.com and we take a look at that, okay, not a terribly amount more backlinks than you have. They have 828 coming from 34 different websites, and they're ranking for 56 organic keywords, a lot less than you, frankly. But I'll show you what the difference is and how they're using their backlinks. I should also explain, a backlink, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's not necessarily the quantity of backlinks, it's the quality of those backlinks. Are they giving you power to the keywords that you're looking to rank on the first page, again, and in turn to bring you more customers, right? So let's just punch into their 56 organic keywords, and I'll just show you what I mean. So again, these are the organic keywords that they're ranking for. There you go. Let's look at this one. Let's use the one that I typed in, Plumber, Denton, Texas, right? So that's, okay, buyer intent keyword, and I'll show you how we read this. So you got 100 volume. So all that means is 100 times per month, people are typing in this exact keyword, Plumbers, Denton, Texas, right? Now, what does that mean for Dad and Son's Plumbing? Okay, you see this number. This is their traffic that they're getting from that keyword. They're getting 18 click-throughs to their website to get their phone number, to hire them, to fill out a form submit, to fill out an estimate. So you can imagine the type of business as you see these different traffic numbers. They've got some really good traffic, and all of these are buyer intent. So this is 22 click-throughs for Plumber Denton, Texas, or Plumber Denton. Plumber Denton, Texas, 18. Plumber Denton, Texas, Plumbers Denton, Texas, 17. Denton, Texas Plumbing, 14. So you get the picture. And why is that? Because they're ranked 1, 2, 3, 4 on the first page of Google for those words. So Sharon, I hope this helps. I hope you get some value out of this. I'd love to talk to you further. I think that, from one marketing person to another, I'd like to answer any questions you have. And obviously, this is a free video. Use these tips for yourself, but would love to talk to you further and see if there's anything I can do or answer any questions. But I hope you liked the video. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks, Sharon.